Hi, I'm Dan, and this is my wife Bree, along with our two dogs, Penny and Bella. For the last 12 years, we have traveled the west coast of the USA and the north and the south islands of New Zealand. We have found ourselves after 19 moves here in South Lake Tahoe, where we have bought a home, and we feel very fortunate to be here. Please come along and enjoy our adventures. Welcome to Tahoe Mountain Life. Look at this road. Pretty sure that's a car underneath there. I'm also going to switch the order of this video just to show you the crazy scenes from this morning first, and then we'll go backwards in time to yesterday afternoon for our time in the forest and the blizzard-like conditions. Well, good morning. It is Sunday, March 3rd, and as you can see, we still have power. The winds were ripping all last night. Let's see what we have outside. Well, it kind of looks the same as yesterday morning. We are buried, and this was fully cleared out. The gusts last night were the story. I don't think it snowed as much last night, but it sure makes it feel that way with these wind drifts. Here's our road. Haven't seen a plow for 2 days. Our entryway is a little bit more crazy. All right, so for this morning, what I'm gonna do is get some breakfast, and then we're gonna head out for a stroll around the neighborhood, and I think we'll start some cleanup, so this is our road. I mean, if you stay in the dead center after it was tracked up yesterday with cars, since we haven't seen a plow, it's maybe mid-shin. If I get into the right side of the road, then I'm up to my knee. Pretty sure that's a car underneath there. Look at this road. This is the middle of our road. These are, oh my gosh. Okay, this is wild. Yeah, nobody is leaving our street today unless we get a plow. Here we are, South Lake Tahoe, Sunday, March 3rd. This is my street. It's about up to my waist and drifts, if not even a little bit higher here. It is quite the morning. This almost feels apocalyptic. There is nobody out here, and everything just looks deserted. The road is crazy. Oh man, good luck getting in there. I made the choice to put the gaiters on this morning, and it was the right call. Here you can see my tracks in the middle of the road. I also wanted to say, I know there was a lot of comments about the shear pin. Yes, I realized it had broken towards the end there. I got it back, and I did put a new shear pin in. So hopefully today, that is my neighbor's, so I might bring that one out, but I'm definitely gonna get my Arians going today as well. I can't believe this, that this is our road. I think once we get things cleared off a little bit more, we'll take more of an explore around the neighborhood, but let's get to snow clearing. All right, we've had our first glimpse of sun in quite some time. I just came through here with the Arians just to give the dogs a little bit of a walkway. I mean, I don't know if you can get a perspective from here, but this is Definitely waist height drifting here. Well, I think from here it's going to be a man-made track trudging through the snow. Wow, that didn't last for long. We went from sunshine for about 3 minutes to proper blizzard again. Just gonna go check on my neighbor. Oh my god. Are you guys ready? You ready to go? You got your jackets on? And Penny won't wear booties, so she does get snow that stuck into her paws. Bella, no snow sticks to her with her fur for whatever reason. And we've tried musher wax with Penny, and that does work a little bit, so we're gonna use that. All right, we're heading to the woods.
Stay with us, girl.
How you doing, Bree?
Doing good. Grateful to be where I'm at now, considering I had brain surgery 5 weeks ago and I could barely walk down the street with a walker, to now being walking without anything, and even though it's snowy, yeah, just really grateful.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Just a beautiful afternoon for a walk. Looks like we get a fresh groom from the snowmobiles again. It is very peacefully snowing right now. Hello, girls. Hello. How you doing? How do you have nothing stick to you and everything sticks to you, huh? Even the full...
Puppy cuddles are the best.
They are. All right, here comes the winds back. Yeah. All right, we're back to the house.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Bree is seeing my my dog run for the first time. First time we've been able to actually put it in this year. Last year we had it with all the snow, but this year it's crazy. I mean, look at those drifts. We put this in for you, yeah. Look at this. Well, my backup blower's out of commission at the moment. Gotta dig that out. Hi.
Give us a go. It's not as bad as up there, Edwin.
Hello, girl. Looks like someone's stuck down here. Well, it's 8 p.m. Saturday, March 2nd. The snow continues. They're bombing at Echo Summit. That one shook the house a little bit. Well, it's about time for bed on Saturday, March 2nd. It just hasn't stopped. The Prius is definitely buried. Oh, hey, our snow stake is barely showing. Look at that Prius.